My feet and my gloves are in resting position. I just gave my bum break after 30 kilometers. I just gave a bum break after the 30 kilometers. I have another 17 kilometers to reach home, and I'm running out of battery, so I want to give the tip that I mentioned in the earlier part of this video. So, how to deceive your mind? It's quite simple. Like, this is a challenge that all of us will face. It's very tricky. Maybe let me put some examples in front of you so that you may connect to that. Let's say I'll give my example. I have this tendency to buy a lot of gear for my cycling, or I have a tendency to buy a lot of e-commerce. I mean, use a lot of e-commerce. So it was going out of hand once. So I have to deceive my mind. So the only trick I followed, like basically, by nature I'm a procrastinate. I keep postponing things many times. So I just use one of my negative aspect of my life, which is procrastination, and use that negative habit to overcome my excessive use of e-commerce. So what I used to do, whenever my mind pushes me to buy something online, so I tells my mind, okay, let me procrastinate this, let me postpone this to so and so date. I'll fix a date and time to make a decision on that, whether to buy the product or not. So interestingly, that worked. So by the time reaches to that date which I kept as a deadline to my mind, by then my mind will shift to other topic. So it's basically, it's not always mind will deceive you, but if you think you can deceive your mind, because mind is just like a monkey, as someone said. It just jumps from one point to another. You just don't follow that. You decide the path to your mind, where it has to go and how it has to think. So that's how I have been deceiving my mind. It's not that easy. Maybe I could say even till date I could succeed only 5 out of 10 issues of mine in deceiving my mind. There are 5 more to handle. So it's always about, as I mentioned in my previous video, like just keep moving. You can't blame yourself, or you can't blame your mind. It just basically, it's your mind. So that's how I deceive my mind. Hope you might have a lot of things. You can start thinking what that topic might be, which you have to deceive your mind. My tip, my advice is to procrastinate. Keep a deadline. By then it will your mind will jump onto something else, because it's a monkey. So that's the tip of the day from me, and I have 17 more kilometers to ride. I can't do this with one hand, so see you all in next video, or some other day on some other road with some other topic. Till then, I am signing off from NH44. Take care of your monkey. Don't let your monkey deceive you. So have a safe weekend.